welcome to the Rural Project. In today's video I'm at the bottom of Slippery Hill, working my way through this tangled mess of dead standing and fallen dead trees. So these are all trees that were damaged in the fire a few years previous in 2014. And the job today is to work my way along a small section of this gully at the bottom of Slippery Hill and take down any of the dead standing ones. Then towards the end of the video we'll gather some of those trees together using the excavator, and they'll be processed into firewood. So tree number one, as you can see, I think we'll call it a hard leaner. It's pretty obvious which way this one's going to go when I drop it. Tree number two was going to come down the same way. There's a fair bit of rot in the middle of this tree, as you'll see with all the dust that flies out when I start cutting. So with these dead trees here, you've just got to be careful when you cut them. You're just never quite sure what's on the inside. Now tree number three, or stump number three, was a solid old lump, but not much length to it, but there's certainly a lot of mass in the tree, so that one came down, fell in that one into the hillside. And now it's on to tree number four. So the confidence was high, and this was a tall, thin tree, so I thought I didn't need to put a kerf cut in, and that was mistake number one for the day. So I won't be making that mistake again. And then finally tree number five. So again, it's tall and thin, but I don't make the same mistake, and this one comes down without any trouble. And then it's time for a bit of work with the excavator, just grabbing all those logs and pulling them into position, set myself up so I can cut them into the right length with a chainsaw, pass them through the splitter, and then drive away at the end of the day with a nice trailer load of firewood.